Oh, yes.
Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I hope that everyone's doing well out there, being safe with your family. I have a fun video for you today. I have a sandwich video. That's right, not just any sandwich, an Italian hoagie. Italian hoagie. So I did my research. I came up with a real nice version of it, if not as authentic as I came across. I've had these before, you've had them before. They remind me of the Jersey Mike's. When I go to Jersey Mike's and they happen to be on point that day. Reminds me of that. I'll be using provolone. And a big key with it, I take shredded lettuce. And then I dress the lettuce with red wine vinegar, olive oil, salt and pepper, and a handful of dried oregano. Yes, I toss it in there, toss the shredded lettuce, iceberg lettuce, let it sit, let it marinate, macerate, a good 10 minutes. We'll take a French roll, we're gonna cut it in half. Just a thin layer of mayonnaise. Or if you don't like mayo, just a little olive oil or no oil. But I like a little mayo. Thinly sliced tomato, salt and pepper. And the three meats. Bologna, salami, and ham. The provolone. Then the lettuce, the dressed lettuce. Yes, it's gonna be very nice. Alrighty, Italian hoagie. Thank you for joining me. Let's check out these ingredients. Alright, here's our ingredients for our Italian hoagie. Starting with French roll, mayonnaise. Oh, hold on. Tomatoes, bologna, salami, some ham, some provolone, iceberg lettuce, red wine vinegar, olive oil, kosher salt, fresh cracked pepper, and dried oregano. So straight up dried oregano. Right on. Okay. Alright, let's cut this French roll. I'm not going to cut it all the way through. I'm going to go about 3/4, maybe a little further than that's it. That's fine right there. Alright, let's cut this tomato. I'm gonna cut the top off. Good. My knife is sort of sharp. So now we want to thinly slice it, like 1/8 of an inch. Just like that. One more. Beautiful. Alright, now we're going to julienne some onions, and I know this wasn't with the initial recipe because I forgot. So I got an onion that I cut the top and the bottom, and I cut it in half. And that's what we have here, a small onion. So we're going to julienne, like so. Follow the shape of the onion, nice and thin. Just like that. just a dash of water, some red wine vin, and just a little bit of salt. Add the rest of the water. Yeah, and just let these onions hang out, and they're gonna mellow out in this little vinegar brine, and they'll be delicious. We'll get rid of some of the bite. I love a little onion in my sandwich, especially when it has that taste that it's been macerating. All right, let's move on. Oh, now for the lettuce. So I'm gonna take off the outer leaves. That looks really nice there. Oh, a little housekeeping here. All right. So I'm gonna cut her right in half through the stem. Then one more time, 2/4. So I have a wedge right here. Let me check if we're on frame. We are on frame, okay. So now we're gonna shred. I'm gonna go ahead and run the knife. 1, not all the way through. 2, through the wedge. Okay, but not all the way through. And now I'm gonna go ahead and shred, or julienne. So I'm gonna take my knife and I'm going to get a nice angle for you to see here. Right there, I think do it right there. Now I'm just shaving. Shaving the iceberg. And here we have it. And this is obviously the core. Right, let's season this lettuce. And let's start with some red wine vinegar. That's about a cup. That's about right there. About a tablespoon, maybe 2. Some olive oil. Just give that a toss, actually. Some tongs here. And to that, some dried oregano. I'm gonna mash it in my hands real quick and then just drizzle, put it right over. Kind of crush it in your hands to release its essential oils. Bit of salt, fresh cracked pepper. Give it another toss. You could even add some slivered onions, although we're macerating them on the side, but if you really love onions, you could add some slivered onions in here. All right, let's give this a taste. Definitely needs more of the red wine vinegar. You want that bite? I'm gonna add a little more oregano. A dash of salt. Man, that smells really good. Give this a taste. Just another dash of red wine vin. Just a little dash of salt. That's really good. Alright, I'm going to let this sit for a couple minutes. And we're going to build our sandwich. Build our Italian hoagie. Alright, let's build this sandwich. Okie doke. So the first thing, just a thin little coating of mayonnaise. Oh, my bread just turned into 2 pieces. That's okay. Alright, so we have a nice thin coating of mayo on the bread. Let's get some beautiful slices of tomato. And I'm going to put them on both ends since they're so thin. We're going to hit them with a little salt. Some fresh cracked pepper. And I'm also going to add the cheese. Now that makes more sense. Okay, now let's start with the ham. Bologna and the salami. Now we're going to hit it with the lettuce. With our filled with herbs, filled with oregano and red wine vinegar. Oh, it smells delicious. Now we're going to add these marinated onions. And there you have it. Let's go ahead and crown her. All right, there she is. Let's cut her in half. That looks beautiful. Let's give it a taste. Alright, let's give this a taste. It's Italian hoagie. Plenty of meat, that's for sure. Okay, here we go. That was tasty. I love the onion with the lettuce, the oregano, the red wine vin, and the olive oil. It may have been my favorite. The 3 meats and the provolone. That's a tasty sandwich. It has the bite, and it has everything there. It's bright, it's mellow, and it's dark. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Doesn't cost you a dime. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think. Or if you have a request, you want to see something, you want me to do something, absolutely leave a comment down below. Well, thank you once again. We'll see you guys here next time. on the Guy Show. Goodbye, everybody.